Did you know that one of the most powerful and valued foods in ancient history wasn't rare, exotic, or expensive? It was the humble onion. This simple vegetable once paid wages, treated illness, fueled workers, and was even offered to the gods. Let's explore how the onion helped build entire civilizations. Welcome back to Ancient Ways, where we explore the foods, traditions, and forgotten ingredients that shaped our world. Today, we uncover the surprising journey of the onion, from ancient fields to royal kitchens, from sacred rituals to everyday meals. If you enjoy discovering the hidden stories behind the food we still eat today, consider subscribing for more weekly historical food journeys. The onion is believed to have first been cultivated over 5,000 years ago, possibly in Central Asia or Iran. Because onions grew easily, stored well, and could survive harsh conditions, they quickly became a staple crop for early communities. Unlike delicate fruits or luxury spices, the onion was reliable. It grew in poor soil, needed little care, and fed many. In ancient times, reliability meant survival. From here, the onion began its journey across early civilizations. In ancient Egypt, onions were far more than food. They were considered sacred. Egyptians believed that the circular layers of an onion symbolized eternal life. Onions were used in religious ceremonies, placed in the tombs of pharaohs, and even used as offerings to the gods. But they also played a crucial role in daily life. Onions were fed to laborers and pyramid builders because people believed they boosted strength and endurance. They provided essential nutrients for workers who performed long physical labor. Onions were also used as medicine. Egyptians applied onion juice for coughs, headaches, and to fight infections. Some records even show onions being used to treat heart and digestion issues. From tombs to trade, from meals to medicine, the onion was everywhere in ancient Egypt. As the onion spread across the ancient world, it became especially valued in Greece and Rome. Greek athletes ate onions before competitions, believing it purified their blood and improved performance. Some even rubbed onions on their skin as a form of preparation. Roman soldiers ate onions to gain strength and courage before battle. They believed onions could harden the muscles and build stamina, essential for marching in combat. Roman writers recorded many medicinal uses for onions, including treating vision, toothaches, and even insomnia. They were seen as a natural healer for both body and spirit. To the Greeks and Romans, the onion was not a humble vegetable. It was a tool of power, health, and endurance. By the Middle Ages, the onion had become a central part of European life. It was one of the three pillars of medieval cooking, along with beans and cabbage. Rich or poor, everyone ate onions, in soups, stews, porridges, and simple meals. But onions also held value beyond the kitchen. They were used as a form of currency. People paid rent with onions, gave them as wedding gifts, and used them to settle debts. In medieval medicine, onions were believed to cure colds, relieve sore throats, and even repel evil spirits. Housewives hung onions in homes for protection and to cleanse the air. Once again, the onion was more than food. It was woven into the culture itself. Throughout history, onions carried symbolic and superstitious meanings. In many cultures, they were used to ward off illness or negativity. Onions were placed under pillows to bring good dreams. Cut onions were used to predict the weather for the coming year. People believed onions absorbed sickness and protected households. While not scientifically proven, these beliefs show the powerful place onions held in the hearts of generations. Today, the onion is one of the most widely consumed foods on Earth, found in nearly every cuisine, culture, and kitchen. It continues to flavor our meals just as it did thousands of years ago. But behind this everyday ingredient lies a remarkable story of survival, symbolism, culture, and nourishment. The onion helped sustain workers, heal the sick, support armies, and shape civilizations. It earned its place as one of history's most important foods. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of the onion. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Which ancient ingredient should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments, and I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Ancient Ways for more stories of the foods that shaped our world.